Don't blink. This one changes shape when it gets hot. I'm nowhere on the decks tonight, and I want the part of you that doesn't ask permission. Let's see what the dark does when we push it too far. Forward like it won't last. Snare cracks open the ribs of the night. Guitar teeth flashing in the white hot light. No saints in the smoke, no soft way through. Just the sound of the walls giving into the truth. You can feel that pressure when the low end bites like the dark grew hands and it pulled you inside. Run it to the red line, crashing through the heat. Hands in the air when the drums hit deep. Run it to the red line, let the whole thing shake. We were not built just to stand and wait. Hairline trigger, bright-eyed stare, fire in the lungs and sweat in the air. Everybody wants that beautiful break, the kind of hit only danger makes. I don't want the safe side, I want the burn, want the room lit up at the point of no return. So if you came here carrying chains, leave them in the kick when it calls your name. Run it to the red line, crashing through the heat. Hands in the air when the drums hit deep. Run it to the red line, let the whole thing shake. We were not built just to stand and wait. Hey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fall back, breathe, yeah, try. Ooh, go light, come through. Ooh, hips first, brand new. Now the floor turns silk when the mirror ball spins. Cool in the shoulders, warm in the skin. Clap on the two when the bass line slides. Everything's sweeter when the room gets wide. Silver in the glass and a smile that glows. Body saying it's before the mouth says so. This is that shine if the pressure breaks. The soft gold mercy only midnight makes. Afterglow, where it's slow. Let that rhythm take control. Afterglow, shine on through. I got the night looking good on you. Hands get loose and the air gets light. Purple and gold in a satin night. No hard landing, just glide and sway. Let the hurt melt out in the chandelier haze. What survived the fire comes back refined. Little more dangerous, little more divine. We came sharp, but we're leaving bloom. All dressed in light in a darkened room. Afterglow, where it's slow. Let that rhythm take control. Afterglow, shine on through. I got the night looking good on you. Fade low, cool out. Lights dim, hold still. Kick back, come on, hit hard. Back to the voltage, back to the flame. Saying wild pulse with a different name. Now the guitars hit meaner than before, because the shine made the fire want more. No turning down, no back and clean. Once you've seen gold, you still want steam. So bite that moment, let the crowd ignite. We came for the edge and the edge feels right. Redline hard, don't slow down. Raise that noise, tear this town. Redline hard, one more wave. We came alive, we did not behave. Yeah. Let go. Fall through. Shine now. Afterglow in the blood tonight. Heels on the beat and the hands up high. Clap, slide, shimmer, lean. Whole room lit like a fever dream. What broke us open made us glow. That's how the best nights learn to show. Redline afterglow, side by side. Fire in the chest and the shine in the stride. Afterglow, redline soul. Burn it fast, where it go. Afterglow, don't come down. Take that light. Take your time. See it. Become personality and resistance.